Hey everybody, I just got in my Goodfellas 25th anniversary Blu-ray. It's going to be released on May 5th from Warner Brothers Home Entertainment, and I'm just going to give you a quick sneak peek of the packaging. The outside slip box is nice, heavy duty. It's well built. And on the back there is Joe Pesci artwork, for those that are concerned that it's not on the front cover. Okay, this is all flat, there's no embossing or anything like that. And you open it up, and it includes Blu-ray in an eco case. Special features are in a separate disc, and then Goodfellas, and this is a 1080p remaster from a 4K scan. So hoping this looks a lot better than the previous Blu-ray that came out a few years ago. And we have here a letter from director Martin Scorsese. And it also includes a 36-page photo booklet. All the materials are nicely made, and like I said, pretty heavy duty stock, pretty solid feeling. So there you have it. I'm going to have up my review by the end of the weekend on blu-rayjournal.blogspot.com, and thanks again for watching.